These are the top 25 Harbor Freight tool deals you've got to grab during this April 2026 Spring Black Friday. And in this video, I'm going to give it to you straight, what's worth your cash and what's a total skip. We're looking at everything from dirt cheap finds under $5 to massive $100 to $200 discounts, especially on generators and Prograde gear. If you're planning on picking up any tools this month, this is the absolute best time to pull the trigger. But don't just buy everything blindly. A lot of these deals look tempting on paper, but aren't actually worth it. I'm going to fly through each item, keeping it brief what it's for, if it's worth the hype, and who should actually buy it. And at the end of the list, I've got one deal that's the ultimate best bang for your buck. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with this 25-foot tape measure for just $1.78. Yeah, you heard that right. It's literally cheaper than that Starbucks coffee you had this morning, and honestly, it'll probably last a lot longer than your caffeine high. Now, I know what you're thinking. For under $2, this thing must be junk, right? Wrong. It actually feels surprisingly solid in the hand. It doesn't have that flimsy, hollow plastic feel you'd expect. The spring retraction is snappy. It doesn't just crawl back in, it snaps back. And the markings are super crisp and high contrast. You won't have to squint or worry about the numbers fading off after a few weeks of real work. Take it from me. Tape measures are the #1 thing that vanishes in the shop. They have legs, I swear. 1 minute it's on the workbench, the next it's in another dimension. So at this price, don't just buy one grab, 3 or 4 of these and scatter them everywhere like Easter eggs. Toss one in the glove box, one in the kitchen junk drawer, and keep one clip to your work pants. If you lose one or drop it off a roof, who cares? It's $1.78, but when you're mid-project and need a quick measurement, it'll be right there waiting for you, and you won't have to waste 20 minutes flipping the whole shop upside down just to find a basic tool. Next up, check out these safety glasses. I mean, honestly, where else can you find protection for your eyes for under $1? That's not just a deal that's a total steal. This is exactly the kind of stuff I buy in bulk, like handfuls of them every single time I step foot in Harbor Freight. The real selling point here, though, is the anti-fog coating. Look, if you've ever had to wear a dust mask or a respirator while you're grinding or sawing, you know the struggle. Every time you breathe out, your glasses turn into a foggy mess, and you're basically working blind. It's incredibly frustrating, and let's be real, it's dangerous. But with these, you just pop them on and forget they're even there. They actually stay clear so you can keep your eyes on the prize. Now, I'll be the first to admit they look a bit plasticky and well cheap. They aren't going to win you any fashion awards, and you're definitely not going to look like a supermodel or some high-end contractor on a TV show. But hey, safety first. When you're cutting through rebar or drilling into a concrete wall and sparks are flying, protecting your vision is 1,000,000 times more important than your cool factor. At 98 cents, you can afford to scratch them, lose them, or sit on them, and it won't even ruin your day. Then we've got this 6-piece screwdriver set. Yep, a whole set of 6 for under $5. This is the ultimate ASUS emergency gear you definitely want to keep in your trunk or a kitchen drawer for quick fixes. The rubberized grips feel pretty secure so they won't slip even if your hands are a bit greasy. Perfect for tinkering with household appliances, changing toy batteries, or tightening loose door hinges. But if you're planning on cranking on rusted bolts on a 10-year-old truck, yeah, skip it. Don't put the poor thing through that. Now this right here is the best deal of April. This little LED clip light might look tiny, but man, it is blindingly bright. The clip is super strong. You can snap it right onto your hood while working on the engine, or clip it to the edge of a workbench to light up those dark corners. I swear you'll regret not picking up at least 2 of these. One for the garage, one for the breaker box in case the power goes out. Super handy. Rounding out Tier C is the one thing that'll save your hands. Disposable mechanic gloves, only $5.45 for a box of 50. During this Spring Black Friday sale, they've dropped the price so low I had to do a double take. These are thick, nitrile, tough, hard to tear, and specifically great at resisting chemicals and grease. Don't let your $1,000,000 hands get filthy and stinky all day just to save a few pennies. Just snap them on, do the work, peel them off, and your hands are clean and ready for dinner with the wife. That was just a quick warm-up to get your engines going. If these few dollar deals already got you hyped, just wait. Tier B is coming up, and we're talking real Prograde gear for half the market price. To be honest, these Harbor Freight sales move fast. Sometimes stuff is in stock in the morning and gone by the afternoon. If you're into hunting for deals but don't want to waste time digging through flyers, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. I'll be staying up late to curate these lists. For you, all you got to do is watch and head to the store. All right, you guys, got your wallets ready. Let's move on to the next one. It's about to get heavy, All right, we're done with the small fry. Couple dollar items. Now let's get down to business. Tier B is what I call the workhorses, those reliable staples that every DIYer or semi-pro should have in their shop. They aren't dirt cheap, but the value they bring far outweighs the price tag, under $25. For an impact-rated socket set, this price is solid. Honestly, it's a steal. I've been beating on this set for over a year now, hitting them with the impact wrench constantly, and I haven't seen a single rounded edge or a crack yet. To be fair, the black phosphate finish flakes off pretty easily, so they'll look a bit weathered after a few jobs, not exactly high-end boutique tool vibes. But who cares? They get the job done for $25. This is the best bargain to keep in your home garage. They're durable, and they're ready for war. Don't let that sub-$15 price tag fool you on this Warrior angle grinder. Now let's be real here, you can't expect to cut through solid steel or concrete all day. With this, it'll overheat and throw in the towel pretty quick. But for cutting tiles, cleaning up burrs, or slicing through PVC pipe around the house, it's fantastic. Personally, if you're a pro, grab this as a backup so you don't have to keep swapping blades on your main rig. If you only pull it out once in a while for small projects, just buy it. Don't even waste time reading the reviews. This 5-drawer cart is the absolute legend that put Harbor Freight on the map. They're knocking $30 off for Spring Black Friday, which might not sound massive, but trust me, this is a great price to pull the trigger without feeling guilty. The frame is rock solid and the casters roll smooth as butter even when you've got it loaded down with heavy gear. My only gripe is the lock feels a bit flimsy, but overall it's hard to find any cart under $200 that can touch this in terms of pure toughness. It'll make your shop look 10 times more professional instantly. They say, a clean house is cool, but a clean shop is productive, and they aren't wrong. This Bauer vac has serious suction, it handles dry sawdust and wet spills on the floor like a champ. I even tested it on a pile of metal shavings after grinding, and it sucked them up in a heartbeat. The downside, it's loud, like jet engine taking off loud. So if you're working late in a residential area, maybe give your neighbors a heads up. But with this kind of cleanup power, it deserves a spot in your shop. This is the ultimate weapon for anyone starting their workshop from scratch. Almost every size of wrench and socket you'll ever need is tucked away in this case. It works out to less than 60 cents a piece. Sure, the steel quality is just decent. It's probably not an heirloom you'll pass down to the grandkids, but for learning the ropes, home auto repair, and DIY projects, it's a massive win. Instead of buying individual pieces at a premium, just grab the whole kit and call it a day. Now this. I'm a huge fan of this and I use it constantly. The magnets and hooks are super versatile. It grips right onto the hood or the undercarriage. At 840 lumens, it's bright enough to spot the smallest bolt in those dark nooks and crannies. The battery life is solid and it recharges via USB, which is super convenient. If you're tired of holding a flashlight in your mouth while trying to turn a wrench, go get this, trust me. You'll wonder why you suffered for so long without it. Is Tier B enough to get you hyped and ready to drive to the store? But don't max out those credit cards just yet because the final bosses are coming up next. Tier A, the heavy hitters with discounts up to $200, the Prograde gear you've been dreaming about is finally within reach. Stay tuned to see which deals are actually insane. If you've made it this far, you're definitely a tool addict like me. If these deals are helping you save a few $100, show some love by hitting that subscribe button. That's the biggest motivation for me to keep hurting my own wallet to review gear for you guys. Now let's keep it moving. All right, you guys buckled in. We're entering the territory of the real heavy hitters. If Tier C was for fun and Tier B was for utility, Tier A is exactly why this Harbor Freight 2026 Spring Black Friday is going absolutely viral. These are the items that'll have you reaching for your credit card before the clip even ends. The name says it all, ultra quiet. If you've ever been traumatized by an air compressor that sounds like a tractor in your driveway, making the neighbors come over to complain, this is your lifesaver. It's so quiet you can literally have a normal conversation right next to it while it's running. I used this to nail down hardwood flooring in a bedroom worked through the night, and my wife slept right through it. Just a small heads up, the 2-gallon tank is on the smaller side, so don't expect to spray paint a whole truck with this thing. It'll be cycling constantly. A lot of guys love to talk trash about Harbor Freight not being as fancy as Milwaukee or DeWalt, but go ahead and pick up this Hercules brushless set. It'll change your mind. For under $100 for the pair, the power on these is honestly shocking. I've driven these through pressure-treated lumber that was hard as a rock, and they just cruise through without breaking a sweat or smelling like burnt motor. The batteries hold a solid charge, and they feel great in the hand. Honestly, if you aren't a pro contractor running tools 10 hours a day on a job site, this set will save you a fortune while giving you nearly identical performance. Here it is. The People's Welder, $119 for a portable welder that weighs about 15 pounds. I remember when I first started DIYing, owning a welder felt like a massive luxury. But now with this deal, anyone can be a garage welder. It's super user-friendly, just plug it into a standard 110-volt outlet and you're in business. I used it to fix a sagging iron gate and build some shelving in the garage. The beads come out surprisingly clean and strong if you've got a steady hand. Don't sleep on this because the MSRP is usually way higher. Listen to me if you're planning on repainting a fence or refinishing your kitchen cabinets and you're still thinking about using a roller or a brush, please stop and buy this sprayer. I once wasted an entire weekend hand painting a shed out back and my back was absolutely shot. With this Avanti, I knocked it out in exactly 2 hours. The finish is smooth even and looks like a pro job. The only con is that the cleanup is a bit of a chore, but trust me, it's worth every single penny of the time you save. If your garage only has room for one floor, jack make it a Daytona. This is a dead ringer for those high-end snap-on jacks, but at a third of the price. That signature orange color just looks beast mode. I feel 100% confident sliding under a vehicle with this monster holding it up. It's so overbuilt it feels like it could lift the entire world. This is a lifetime investment in both your safety and your shop's capability. Is Tier A heavy enough for you guys? But stay calm. We've still got the final 5 spots, the absolute kings of the top 25. These are the doorbusters with discounts up to $200 that I promised at the start. The legendary top 5 are coming up right now. All right, guys, take a deep breath. We've been through 20 items, but these final 5 are the real reason people start lining up at Harbor Freight before the sun even comes up. These are the deals where if you hesitate for even a second, that out of stock sign is going to pop up right in your face. You ready? Let's go, kicking off the top 5 with what I call the little beast. This Hercules 12-volt is super compact and can squeeze into tight spots where those bulky grinders just can't reach. I actually used this to cut copper pipe under a kitchen sink. The space was so cramped I almost got my hand stuck, but this thing handled it like a breeze with nearly 40% off. This is one of those items I recommend throwing in your cart without even reading the reviews. If you're dreaming of a tool kingdom as organized as something on Pinterest, this is the heart of that kingdom. This new Series 3 has a drawer system so smooth that a gentle nudge is all it takes to hear that satisfying click as it shuts. I know some brands sell similar boxes for over $1,000, but why pay double when the US General is already perfection? The only downside, it is insanely heavy. Make sure you bring a burly friend along when you go to haul this monster home. Car enthusiasts, listen up. For this April sale, Bauer is dropping a killer deal on their DA polisher. I personally polished my old beat-up car with this, and it came out looking like it just rolled off the showroom floor. It's super beginner-friendly and won't burn your paint like those old-school rotary buffers. For just 60 bucks, you're saving hundreds on professional detailing. Don't miss out because this deal usually vanishes fast. Here it is, Harbor Freight's all-time bestseller. If you missed out on Black Friday last November, this is your shot at redemption. The ultra-low profile design means it slides under slammed cars with zero effort. And that lime yellow finish, it looks pro as hell. I've used this to lift my heavy SUV, and it felt like lifting a piece of paper. Seriously, if you don't have a decent jack yet, now is the time to upgrade. Stop using those sketchy emergency jacks that come with the car. It's just not worth the risk, guys. And here is our champion, the Predator, 3,500 watts. Listen closely, $200 off. This is the craziest price I've seen in all of 2026. This inverter series is whisper quiet, incredibly fuel efficient, and most importantly, it's safe for sensitive electronics like your laptop or phone. Whether you're hitting the campsite or prepping for a sudden power outage, this is your most reliable guardian angel. Honestly, at $599, you're not going to find another generator in this class that touches the Predator's quality. If I could only pick one item from this entire list, this would be it hands down. Personally, if I had to choose just one, I'd go with the 3,500 watt generator because it's a total game changer when you actually need it. And that wraps up our top 25 deals for this run. But before we go, let me give you a quick buy this, skip that summary so you don't get overwhelmed. The buy now essentials: Predator, 3,500 watt generator, strongest deal by far. Daytona floor, jack, pretty much a must-have if you own a car. Titanium welder, $119, perfect entry point for DIY-ers. Avanti paint, sprayer, $189, massive time saver. Bauer pressure, washer, $189, high utility, zero regrets. Toolbox/workbench arrow, worth the investment if you're in it for the long haul. The Breas grab and go no-brainers, the $1.78, tape measure 98 cents, safety glasses, and microfiber towels. These are the might as well pick them up while I'm here items. The skip it unless you have a specific need. Don't buy the generator if you don't actually need backup power or a cement mixer unless you have a concrete project starting tomorrow. Skip the ball joint tool set if you won't use it often, it'll just sit there collecting dust. Some deals are okay, but not amazing like the bandsaw or router. Only buy those if you're already in the market for one. Before you check out, ask yourself, am I going to use this in the next 30 days? If yes, go for it. If not, save your cash. So which one of these are you eyeing? Drop a comment below. I'm curious to see what you guys are picking up. And if you want more videos like top deals under $100 or what to avoid, make sure to follow so you don't miss out. See ya in the next one. All right, that's it. We've officially smashed through the entire top 25 Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday. Deals for April 2026. We covered everything from those sub-dollar finds to the massive $200 off doorbusters. If I could sum it up in one sentence, this is easily one of the most notable sales of the year, but just because it's on sale doesn't mean you should buy it. If you pick right, you're saving a ton of cash. If you buy on impulse, well, you're just cluttering up your shop. Now, I'm genuinely curious, if you could only walk away with one single item from this list, which one would it be? Drop a comment below and let me know your pick. I'll be reading through them. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so I know. And if you're into this kind of straight talk deal hunting and tool reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Quick heads up, prices and promos can vary by location or timing, and some of these items will sell out fast. This video is just for sharing info, and my personal take, it's not financial advice, and you're definitely not obligated to buy anything. And like I said at the start, there's always a deal, but a great deal doesn't always come back around. I'll catch you guys in the next one.